everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Abrar Karim Nihal from English Language Center, Bangladesh. My batch number is K1897. I hope you all are well. So he is my partner.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Anurud Hajar and I'm from English Language Center, Bangladesh. So today we're going to be doing a topic.
On verb.
The name of the topic is verb. So let's get started.
Option B.
Option B.
Option C.
Option A.
Option B.
Option C.
Option B.
Option A.
Option A.
Option C.
So thank you everyone for listening us patiently.